Good morning, sir. Atharmankar this side, demonstrating the Python app which we created. It's a general purpose assistive artificial intelligence, as we like to call it so. Now, if you run the UI.py file present in the folder which had been sent to you, this particular interface would open up. This is the chat with AI section. Here you can command the AI or converse with it normally as we do generally. For an instance, let's say hello, how are you today? Today I will generate a suitable response and put prompt here. Now here we had defined two type of queries. One is conversation and one is Regex-based. What it do in pattern, what it do in the background is that whenever any query is prompted, it would just like check that particular query or prompt with each kind of regex pattern, and if any of the pattern doesn't follow the prompt you had given, then it would be considered as a conversational query, and the AI assistant which is connected to this particular program would just converse normally with you, the user. The program also executes the OS rated queries as well quite well. As you can see here, the volume was set to 30%. Similarly, the brightness also is manipulated like by the query, such as set brightness to 30%. Let's say. Moving on towards the search rated queries. Now, the query was search oops on file manager. It had opened the file manager and searched for these particular files. It had fetched all these assignments named oops, object oriented programming. Now this program is also connected to various web apps too, like Google search engine or YouTube or let's say Spotify. So the queries work quite flawlessly here. It had searched the thing which we had prompted here earlier. The particular command was executed quite flawlessly as well for searching on YouTube. Just prompted to search a particular song. Now here it had searched the song which I've asked it to. Right, so all these three widgets of calendar, email and tasks all are connected to Google via their API, which is connected to the GCP via Google OAuth ID. So if we prompt it to create a task with such thing, so it is not only shown here the task created, but also if we just manual towards the task app by Google, Here the change is reflected as well. We had created tasks via the query which was given to the program. All kind of CRUD functionalities are available for tasks, that is task creation, readability, updation and deletion, and calendar events as well. Now the email widget fetches up to 10 most recent emails for the Google account which was like embedded in the program. Now not only the searching or let's say OS functionalities, this program also has capabilities to create messages and send it to the commanded recipient. So if I just command the program to send a message to this particular recipient, phone number, short story why I will wait for the party. Also here I had mentioned the context for the message which would be created by the AI. Now the program is creating a message by the AI as per the context which was provided. And after creation of that message, it would open WhatsApp web app and directly send that message to the recipient which the user had been trying to send message to. Here WhatsApp web was opened. For some reason the AI wasn't able to create the message here, but generally the message looks like this. The content generation is totally based on the capabilities of AI itself. Like the model connected here is 5.3 by Ollama, right? So this particular model has about 3.8 billion parameters only. So it is not that quite smart, but it's like totally resource friendly model, so that we can run it totally locally on our machine itself. So this particular query says that send a form element to this particular account about requesting for more employees with specialty in AI. Now the AI is creating the message. Here also there is a toggle functionality between modes of light and dark for the program. Now the credentials are in these three files: token.json, config and client secret.json. Config.json has the general credentials like the sender's email account for an instance, or the model which we want to use locally, that, or the APIs of other AIs is all consistent in config.json. Client secret is just all the credentials from the GCP. So the program is prompting here that the email is sent to this particular account. Let's check whether we had received it or not. As you can see, the time is 1:37 a.m. and the message is received as we were expecting it to. Moving towards the functionality, like write a short story in Notepad. Now the AI actually is creating the short story or the thing prompted here, like the content prompted here. Not only a story, it can also write poems or let's say codes in a particular language as prompted by the user itself. But the accuracy or the effect of the content is solely and like truly based on the type of model we are using. As mentioned earlier, Phi 3 is not a great model. It's just like resource friendly, and hence we are using it as we are running the entire program locally from the AI model to the Python app completely on my laptop. Now, what will the program do is it would delete the already present text in the notepad and start writing the created text by the AI. See, the short story was written by the AI in the notepad app. Now, what we were thinking is that instead of just a single modal approach, we can like explore different modality and different models which are specialized for that modality, right? So it would just enhance the efficiency of the program. Also, the entire program is quite resource intensive, so we can host it on cloud services like Amazon Cloud Services or Azure Cloud. We can use their resources, right? So this was the Python app for now. This is what we had achieved as a team yet. So thank you, sir, for watching this video and giving us your time. Have a nice day. Thank you.